Hey friends, welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead. Today we're going to check out and see how the goat kidding area is coming. Jason and Connor have been working on that. We'll see how it's coming along and what they've got accomplished so far. Hold on. Hello my little piglets. Hello Charlotte Pig. Where's the little piglets getting big? Alright, let's see. Not too much yet. We've just got some area cleaned out here, but you must be in the garage. On some boards to put up in here. Get some of this going. Get a doorway going and such. So get working on that, that's for sure. The Maggie. There's the Maggie. There's the Connor.
Holy crap! Wow, that's scary.
Sorry, buddy. Ignore me.
Yeah.
Don't even pay attention to the woman holding the camera. Go to that. Oh, that's so going on footage. Are you okay, Mama? Are you okay? Huh?
She's not liking it?
Kind of jumping a little. Sorry, piglets. So why did you choose to do it this way, honey, instead of just putting long boards across the opening?
Go this way.
Yeah.
The way it's laid out, it looks nicer.
Oh.
Stronger.
Okay. There's my goats. There's my goat. Hello, Bucky. Hello. You getting up close and personal, are you? Hi, Mama Goat, my pregnant mama. Hi, Tilly Goat, my other pregnant mama. Yes, Tilly's gonna be our first time mama. Hi, Billy Goat. Yes. Yes. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. It is muddy out here. Oh, surprisingly, it's about 40 degrees in upstate New York right now. It was 11 degrees when I came out this morning to do chores. Fantastic. So this is where the doors actually open up into the goat pen. However, the fence is still up right here, so we've got to take down the fence and secure the building to the fence. So that way we can open those doors and we can get the mama goats inside through the goat yard that they all share, and then they can still share the goat yard. So that's another part of the project that we'll be working on. Fun times. Mama alone.
Can I use your tractor?
I probably would it up the road this week.
Are ya? Good job. Got Ethan in the background with his beer. Chickens can't get in. Pig area become chicken food. Alright, here is our door entrance to get into the goat kidding section of this little barn. And of course there's our piglets and Mama Pig. And some more piglets over here. They're everywhere. Piglets, piglets, lots of piglets. Well, I was hoping to give you guys like the finished, unfinished look when the goat pen was done, but Mama Goat seems to have gone into labor. We've definitely got labor signs going on, so we've got her in here. So I'm going to show you the pen that we finished while she's in here and being very vocal about it. So here is the door to get into her area. It does have a lock down there, so just go in here. Don't mind that's the electrolytes down here, right there on the ground that I'm giving her. But here's where her bucket is for water. We've got 2 feeding stations, another bucket down here. Yeah, we've got a new lock on the door. So it looks pretty good in here. You know, I definitely think Mama's a little nervous. I'm a little nervous for her, but she definitely has. I'm gonna give you a close-up. She definitely has signs where it's coming. Well, the babies are coming, so we'll see how it goes. I'm praying everything goes fine. Get comfortable. Yeah. Well, as you can see, we got our little kidding area ready, and we've got a Mama Goat ready to go. So if you want to see how her birth comes out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow us. See what happens. Anyways, have a wonderful day. God bless you, and pray that everything goes well. Thank you.